428 Sam Snead Circle sits in Oakland's only golf course community. It's a 5-bedroom, 3.5-bath home with a beautiful modern farmhouse layout. I think you're gonna love it. As you can see, this Country Club Acres home has so much to offer. It's got a great layout. It's plumbed for an extra bathroom in the basement. It's got a 1-car oversized detached garage for storage of a car, mowers, all the toys, and it's right across the street from Oakland Country Club.